Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily connect Notion with Google Sheets. So this is like easy tutorial, and what you want to do is just scroll down below on this video to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get right here to make.com, and make.com is an amazing tool that you can use for creating connections, creating those integrations, and connect multiple apps together. And you get also the free account that you can test it out by yourself. And when you're gonna have it, you want to simply and you're gonna sign up here. You would be in your account, and then you want to go on a scenario under team. Then you would to click on the top right, create new scenario, and here you want to click plus and search. You want to write, like, let's say Notion. Okay, and when there is going to be a database, when you're going to create a database item, search object, get a page, when you're going to create a new page, you can simply choose which one you want. Then you need to connect it with your account here, and then connection name, right? And you need to authorize it. So you see it's going to automatically authorize. And when you're going to have it, click plus here and add another module and add Google Sheets. And let's say I'm going to add a row, update a row, clear a row, delete a row, get a cell. So you would choose which action you actually want here. So when you can database, we will automatically connect it to Google Sheets and we will add a row there. You can on the bottom save it. You can schedule settings and turn it on every 15 minutes. Then when you have it, you can simply save it. And I can simply go to scenario or templates and search by name. So I'm going to have Notion here, and you're going to have plenty of templates that you can use. Right? And that's pretty much it, how you can do it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.